In a major haul, security forces have recovered large cache of arms and ammunition from different locations in the 5 valley districts during search operations that were conducted early this morning. Addressing a press conference held today at police headquarters located at Babupara, Imphal, IGP John 2 K. Kabib stated that 90 numbers of arms and 728 ammunitions have been recovered in the search operations that were conducted in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Bishnupur and Kakching. Personnel from the Manipur Police, Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF), Border Security Force (BSF) and the Army Assam Rifles carried out the joint operations in the early hours today. Describing the operation as a major accomplishment, IGP K. Kabib added that security forces will continue to conduct search operations as a part of its efforts to restore peace and normalcy in the state and also to safeguard people and property. Emphasizing the importance of public cooperation in restoring peace and normalcy in the state, IGP appealed all to inform to the nearest police station or to the central common room in case of having any information related to the presence of illegal arms.
In another significant step towards restoring peace and security in Manipur, many operations were conducted in the early hours of 26 July 2025 by security forces in the various districts acting on specific intelligence about a large cache of arms, ammunition and warlike materials concealed at various locations. Coordinated operations were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the peripheral and suspected areas of these valley districts. These continued intelligence-led operations represent a major accomplishment for the Manipur police and security forces in their continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order and safeguard the lives and properties of citizens. The Manipur police reaffirms its commitment to fostering a peaceful and secure Manipur. The public is urged to cooperate with the Manipur police and security forces and to promptly report any suspicious activity or information related to illegal arms to the nearest police station or to the control rooms.